Beachbody has been around for about 15 years as a company. We are one of the premier companies in the health and fitness business. Beachbody's been growing very, very quickly as a business in the last several years. And we're trying to meet that growth with a reinvention of all of our core systems so that we can support it where we are today and where we hope to be in the next 3 to 5 years. One of the directions the company has taken has been to build our core infrastructure using the Cisco UCS product line. And so the full Cisco security suite is very complementary to what we were building in the first place.
What we're seeing is a lot of consultant groups coming in and who need access to our resources. However, they're not necessarily offered a Beachbody asset to work on.
We want to have a system so that they can be more productive and take advantage of the tools and the resources that are available to them within our network. And ICE is going to help us be able to give them the access they need without having to have somebody constantly worrying about configuring them. We want people to have a seamless experience when they come in with their device, be able to just go in, turn the machine on, do the work they need to do with it. From an IT strategy, right, it allows me to get my experts, my engineers, focusing on something other than having to do help desk support, right? They're not spending their entire day dealing with every single person who walked in the door who needs network access now, because the network is kind of taking care of itself.
When we were looking at the ASA platform or some of the other firewall vendors, what I started to notice, or what I started to realize, is that I needed a platform that kind of fit into my virtualized space. We chose the ASA 5585 because of the clustering capabilities and the scalability and the pay-as-you-grow architecture features. We chose the Identity Service Engine because of the manageability that it gave us on our wired and wireless networks, which we did not have before. It also offered a simplified view and a simplified management aspect of the 8021X platform. The security group tagging allows us to minimize the management of long ACLs, and also gives us the flexibility to do dynamic VLAN assignments based on a security tag.
Having a one-vendor strategy helps us in that it reduces complexity, it improves integration, it makes time to go on the air with the gear much faster, it makes time to support it much easier, right? We've got our one throat to choke where we need it, and then it gives us greater reliability going forward as well, because that integration, there's somebody out there who's watching and making sure everything's at the right patch layers, everything is integrated correctly. They let us know when we have something to be worried about, and then we take care of it.